Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. In this beautiful day, I would like to present about my portfolio in 2025 until 2026. And this portfolio are included my IT project, my design, my coding, and everything. All in this my portfolio. Alright, so without any further ado, let's begin to my presentations. So in the first section, there is a section about me, which is that I'm introduce myself as a graphic designer and software developer, and get to know me to my social media account. And also, there is a short description about myself, and it says like, "Hi, I am Aiza, a tech and design enthusiast who loves turning ideas into a fun and meaningful digital experience. I enjoy to exploring UX, visual design, and creative text projects while continuously learning and building things that can make everyday life a little easier and more engaging." Alright, so next we move to the next sections, which is about a short list from my CV that I entered into here, which it includes my skills, the hard skill and the soft skill, and also it includes about my education from the junior high school until now, and it also includes about my experience, which I have the experience about the multimedia divisions, 1A team batch 15 at Indonesian Youth Execution Network on June 2025, and I also have experience about becoming multimedia divisions at IDN Citizen Councils, and also I have experience about internship that I do in social work. And last things, my experience is becoming a graphic design associate at media and branding in the Arister community powered by Arister Indonesia. And also the last thing that shows in here is all language that I spoke, which I spoke about the Bahasa Indonesia, English, and I think I can speak Mandarin a little bit. And next we move to the next sections. The next section, it shows about indexing, and which it shows what inside this portfolio are included my mobile project that I made, my proposal project, my design project, certificate, and last is about the testimonials. And let's we move to the first sections of this project in this portfolio, which is the mobile project. Alright, so the first mobile project that I made is about Suka. I made this using a GitHub, Direct Flutter, Figma, and Jita. It's actually just a UI, and it's included 12 screens. And the next project is about Picket. Picket is a modern news application. The text tools that I use in this project are GitHub, Direct Flutter, Figma, Jitter, and Firebase, and is included in the 15 screens. And next we move to the next project, which is a Hadirin. Hadirin is a attendance applications. Then the text tools that I use in this project are basically same, just like the other project that I use, which is GitHub, Direct Flutter, Figma, and Firebase. And this application are included in the 7th screen. And next, we move to the application that is the QR scan payment applications. The features are including 7 screen, which is the connect by Bluetooth feature, generate a QR code from the sales menu, scan the QR code with your camera device, and last is calculate the total processes amount automatically. And the last project is about MOVA, which MOVA is built with my team while the final project during the last semesters. And these applications are included in 30 screen. And my role in this application as a team leader and a back-end developer. And also in this application, I use a lot of tech tools, which include the GitHub, Dart, Flutter, Figma, Firebase, and also Trello. And alright, I think that's all for my mobile application, and we will move to the next sections of this portfolio, which is the website projects. Alright, the first project that I made is a Space. It's about the technology courses website. Space is a website for IT courses that covers several things like robotics, product design, coding, web development, game design, and the other things. And the tools that I use for building this website is include the GitHub, HTML, CSS, Figma, and last is Canva. And next we move to the other website, which is SKL. It's basically the website, the dashboard. It's about the online payroll for website. Okay, the interesting from this website are this dashboard is included two roles, which is about the users and the admin. And the tech tool that I use for make this application is GitHub, Laravel, CSS, HTML, and the last is Figma. And we move to the next project that I made. Is about the Bumi. It's actually the website that I built for my competition with my friends, and my role in this project is about a team leader and front-end developer. And the text tool that I use for making this website is just basically same as the previous project, which is the GitHub, HTML, CSS, and Figma. And alright, so we move to the next projects. It's about the best of the best design projects. Alright, so actually I quite make a lot of design in my whole school, but I just show you all the best of the best design that I made. The first is I made about a new era of 4.0 farming. It's for the competition of AgroFest 2025, and also there is about smart energy and the infographics that I made for EEA 2025, and also I made from about the forest for the UPT Perbenihan Tanaman Hutan 2026. And let's move to the next infographic design, which is there is part of FunFest 2025, writing contest 2025, and the Win Center 2025. And that's all from the best of the best infographic dynamics. Let's move to the Instagram design that I made. The first here, I made about the pixel art. It's just about technology account, and I did all the branding design and social media by myself. And next we move to the next physical project, which is the social fit. And in the social fit is the place that I work as intern before. I work as a graphic designer at social fit with a relatively short time frame and job responsibilities that include communicating with the social media team, designing according to the brief, and creating a unfiled goal from my creative. And let's move to the next section, which is the achievement or the certificate that I got. that I got from here is about the winner from the competitions is the first winner in the infographics competition in PEA 2025, Writing Contest 2025, and AgroFest 2025. And next, I also get a certificate from courses and also seminar, which is I get it from Decoding, Udemy, and Let's It's Code Holiday. And alright. Besides that, I also got the certificate from my skill berkemah and volunteer when I joined international youth excursion network batch 15. And alright, the last sections in this portfolio is about the testimonials, but sadly I haven't get the testimonial yet. So I think I will update when I get the testimonials, and I think that's all for me in this presentation, and I hope we can collaborate and let's work together. And here is my social media account, and that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.